Firstly, clean the screen. Pick up the film. Slowly take out the cutting part by folding the material. Peel off the middle release film. In line with the die cut, manually position. Glue the middle and fix the film. Turn the film to a vertical position. Use a scraper to press on the middle. Lift up the first phase. Parallel push the scraper with no stop until the whole release film is removed. Lift up the second phase to a lit up position. Use the scraper to push and do the same. For curved screens, two curved edges need to be flatted with cloth. Finally, peel off the surface protective film. If any bubbles are found, use the black scraper to squeeze. Use the cloth to flat again. Then the installation is done.